Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at a LEGO clock, and you press his helmet down to make the screen light up. And that's indicative on all of the LEGO clocks. You press the head down. The controls are on the back. This is super cool. This is from the Nexo Knight series. And there you go, you can put his lid down. And there are all the controls. It's an alarm clock. Very cool for any LEGO collector. Like I said, you can put his helmet down. That makes it even better, right? What do you all think? Take care, take it easy, and bye for now.